ever wondered how big brands plan those all-round game-changing campaigns? Today, you're going behind the scenes of our 360-degree digital marketing strategy, from research to execution. Hi, welcome back to Digitex Guider. Today in this video, I'm revealing our step-by-step framework to plan and launch powerful campaigns that drive results. Understanding the client-client meetings, whiteboards, branding mood boards. We start by deep diving into the client's business goals, target audience, and market position. This isn't just about knowing their product, it's about knowing their customer. Competitor and AMP, market research, B-roll. Screens showing competitor ads, Google Trends, keyword tools. We run a competitor audit, analyze industry trends, and identify gaps we can fill, turning insights into opportunities. Channel selection logos of Google, Meta, TikTok, YouTube, email marketing tools. Not every channel works for every client. We carefully select platforms based on audience behavior and ROI potential, whether it's SEO, PPC, social media, email, or influencer marketing. Campaign creative and AMP, messaging designers, working on ads, video shoots, copywriting sessions. This is where we craft attention-grabbing creatives and compelling copy. Every message is tailored to the audience, maintaining a consistent brand voice. Tracking and AMP optimization analytics dashboards, A/B test results. A 360-degree campaign doesn't end after launch. We monitor KPIs daily, run A/B tests, and optimize based on real-time performance. Reporting and AMP, scaling presentation slides, client success meetings. Finally, we report results to clients in clear, actionable insights and plan the next move, scaling up what works best. That's our behind-the-scenes process for building a 360-degree digital marketing campaign. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and comment with the type of campaign you want me to break down next.